about heart health. And so today I have prepared, I think this is Angel's Breakfast, right?
It is.
Recently I've seen a lot of people who are a little bit concerned about what are good fats, bad fats, whether certain fats can be taken or not for their heart. A good heart health diet is one that consists of nutritionally dense foods. If you undereat fat, then you won't be able to absorb some of the key essential nutrients. Your vitamin A, D, E, and K are all fat-soluble vitamins. We have to eat from our diet. There's no way our body can make essential fatty acids. We should maintain a healthy weight. I would like everybody to focus on eating more good fats, bad fats such as saturated fat from animals, as well as trans fat from processed foods, superfood. And so the good thing about overnight oats, it's really you are your own chef. You can create different flavors by adding it to the base. If not, then it's a topping. And yes, it only takes less than 5 minutes to do.